Hello students, today we are going to study Innovative Science class 5. Please turn to page number 25 of your textbook. We are dealing with the food and health chapter, and today we are going to deal with the topic that is balanced diet. A diet that contains sufficient amount of all the nutrients as well as enough water, fiber is called a balanced diet. So what is a balanced diet? Okay, the diet that has a sufficient balanced amount of all the nutrients and enough amount of water and dietary fiber is known as the balanced diet. So first of all, you need to know what is diet. Whatever we eat, whatever we intake is the diet. Okay, but balanced diet is totally different from diet. So if you eat anything, okay, whether you eat junk food, whether you eat fruits and vegetables, that is just simply diet. But the balanced diet refers when we eat the diet in a proper proportion. Our diet should have the proper proportion of all the required nutrients, for example carbohydrate, fats, proteins. Okay, all these things should be in a balanced proper amount, plus we need to take the sufficient amount of water and dietary fiber. Okay, fruits, don't peel off the skin of the fruits. When you having apple, don't peel off the skin of the apple, because that is a dietary fiber. It is rich in dietary fiber and you should intake it along with its skin. Okay, so a balanced diet is that diet which have all the nutrients in a balanced proportion, enough amount of water and dietary fibers. Okay, now we cannot get all the nutrients from any single food item. So if we say we are having vegetables, green vegetables, okay, and every day you are eating the same green vegetables, okay, only for example only cauliflower or lady's finger, that is not sufficient. You need to take the variety of green vegetables. Okay, what is happening, don't pick one or two vegetables according to your choice. Okay, the vegetables you like to have, don't intake that very vegetables only. You have to take the rich variety of vegetables as well as fruits. Okay, and try to intake the seasonal fruits and vegetables available in the market. Okay, we have a rich variety of fruits and vegetables available in India and it differ seasonally. Okay, so whatever is present, seasonal fruits or vegetables, okay, you should intake that very things, because that very fruits and vegetable had the nutrients that we want, and along with it has the antioxidants also that will help to increase your immunity. And so our diet must include food items that are rich in different nutrients. As I told you, different food items, every food items have something or other, but if we take the variety, then we are already getting the variety of nutrients simply in a simpler way. Okay, now a balanced diet is different for different peoples, okay, depending on their age, gender and physical activity. So what is happening, first of all, balanced diet, it's very required to have a balanced diet, to have all the nutrients in a correct proportion. And secondly, the balanced diet differ from people to person. For example, a child has a different nutrient requirement as compared to that a young person and that of a old person. For example, the amount of nutrient that a child require differ from the old person, okay, old age person. For example, you peoples required the different nutrients, a different proportion of nutrients as compared to your grandparents, as compared to your father or mother. So with age, the proportion of nutrients, the kind of balanced diet we need is differing a lot. So we should take a diet according to with respect to our age requirement, gender requirement and physical activity. Okay, the person who is doing a lot of exercise, who is doing a lot of workout, but obviously require the more proportion of nutrients, and those who are just sitting back idly and working on the laptops or computers, their nutrient requirement will be less as compared to that those persons who are working so hard on farmlands, okay, or in gyms doing a heavy excessive workouts. We divide food into different food groups for convenience and healthy eating. So we have divided the foods into different categories so that it is convenient for us to get to know what we have to intake. Okay, the first category is cereals and potatoes. Second is milk and milk product. Third is fat, oils and sweets. Fruits and vegetables, pulses, meat, fish and eggs. So these 5 categories are there. So every age group person, a child or your young person or an old person, what is going to happen? They require different proportion of cereals and potatoes, milk and milk products, fats, oil, sweets, fruits and vegetables, pulses, meat, fish and eggs. Okay, according to your age, according to your physical activity, according to your gender, the requirement for the different kind of nutrients will differ a lot. Okay, and according to that very thing, for example, a child need more proportion of milk and milk products to that of the young person, because a child is in a growing state, he require more milk and milk products. Okay, I'm just giving you a example. In the similar way, what is going to happen, maybe the young person require more cereals, potatoes, pulses, meat, fish and eggs as compared to the child. Okay, so this proportion is going to vary. Okay, certain age group will require something more and other thing in less, while a child may require something more as and something less as compared to the other age group persons. So requirement for the nutrients vary a lot from point of respect of age, gender and physical activity. So till now, today I'm going to deal with a balanced diet, because you need to just understand this very concept very clearly. And homework for today is that you have to just learn the definition of this balanced diet and the different food groups. Okay, these 5 food groups you are supposed to learn. Whatever points I've underlined, you are supposed to write it in your copies. And the homework for today is, this is your homework. You have to just complete all these 7 fill in the blanks, time to recall. Page number 25, as you can see, page number 25, time to recall. Okay, fine. Thank you, students.